Hey guys, welcome to my channel Leader Clash, and today I'm going to show you how you can take DSLR like photos from your smartphone. It does not give you that much of quality what a DSLR can give you, but it's better. It's quite good. For that you need this camera application. Some developers ported it from Google Pixel 2, maybe, and you need 8.0 plus device running on Oreo. You need a device which is running on Oreo. Download this APK, link in giving in the description. I can't show you right now to take I can have a model or something like that to take pictures. I have taken some of my pictures. Here is this. You can see it's quite good. It blurred the background. This photo is not that good, but this one is totally awesome. You can see background is blurred and looks colors are sharp, and I have quite more photos. Here's my friend. You can see there's another photo, there's another photo, there's another one, there's another one, there's another one. Yeah, it's good. We give you good camera quality, or it take good photos. If you have 8 plus device, only you can use it. Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope you will get better content in future. Please subscribe my channel and gives me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.